Hi guys, welcome in Chefika's kitchen. My name is Nesli and in today's episode I will make smoked salmon on roasted potatoes. I have here some already cooked potatoes, black pepper, salt and olive oil. First, I'm gonna take the potatoes and cut them in half, like that. Here I have a little bowl tool. With that, I'm gonna take a piece of the potato out that I can fill that later with some sour cream. Now I'm gonna place them on my sheet. After I did that, I take my olive oil and a brush and brush my potatoes with a little oil. That will help to crisp them up. Now I take my salt and sprinkle it on top. And also a few crags of black pepper. My potatoes are now ready to go in the oven. I did preheat my oven to 390 degrees. I will let them bake until they get golden brown on top. My potatoes are now ready to serve. Here I have some smoked salmon, sour cream, and some dried chives for garnish. I'm gonna take now a few of the potatoes on my serving plate. And take my sour cream put a little right in the middle. And then I'm gonna take my smoked salmon and place it right on top. Then I'm gonna take my dried chives and sprinkle them just a little bit on top. And these are my smoked salmon potatoes.